Hello YouTubers, I'm here doing this video on the Neatcell. I'm going to try to remove a tattoo. I went to all the other videos on YouTube and I couldn't find one that went to completion. I think there's a couple that I've seen that did like 1 or 2 videos. There's another guy who's doing one with a different device. He said he's going to go with the whale all the way through. But anyway, usually I learned the hard way. I just recently wanted to remove this tattoo here, and I thought it was just like, I assumed just going in one time, and I went through Groupon. I got a $250 certificate, and realized it takes up to 10 sessions. So I got quoted at $2,500, which is fucking crazy, you know, and I decided, you know what, maybe I'll go to Tijuana. But now with the COVID, I really have no options. You can't get it done here, and you can't even go to TJ for a lesser price, because it costs about $250 a session to remove a tattoo this size on average. So I got quoted anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000, and I was like, oh, fuck that. That's way too expensive. But anyway, so I did some research. I found some good reviews on the Neatcell, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna remove my tattoo. Then I just started searching through YouTube, and like I said, I could not find any channel that listed the first session all the way through the 10 sessions. So I'm gonna actually do as many sessions as needed to remove on the Neatcell. Anyway, this is my second session. So let me just show you the tattoo. I'll just take my shirt off. Okay, zoom in. This is the tattoo. You can see the contrast right here. This back part, this tattoo, I'm going to leave it. That's the only part of this tattoo that I like. And it'll also make it easier to for you guys to see the progress that I'm making with the tattoo removal. And yesterday I got it. Wasn't sure if I was going to do the video, so I started this top section with the help of my roommate who's helping me film. And so now I'm going to do the rest of this, and then I'll show you how it's done. As you can see here, though, of the stuff I did, yeah, you can see it's kind of, you know, it's a little raw. And I got some blisters forming. They were a lot bigger, but then I did yoga in the morning and I busted a few. But anyway, that's it for now, and then I'll show the filming. Oh, it hurts at first. Oh. Alright, so I'm all done. I'm all finished with my second session. Like I said, this is my second session. My first one I did a month ago. I didn't film it because I hadn't decided to actually film this. But I'm going to document this all the way through. It should take anywhere from 6 to 10 sessions. But anyway, let me show you my arm so you can see it's kind of blistering in certain areas. This is the area I just did myself. As you can see, it's pretty much done. It's starting to blister a little now. I think I got pretty much all the coverage, and then I'll also film a little bit in the next couple days just to see how it's healing, and then I'll see you guys a month after that.